I'm going to show you a new extension, a new radius tag put together by Benny DeGazelle that I reckon is really great. So I'm going to show you how it works and why it's so good. It's called the Find by ID tag extension, and it's just a radius tag. So with Radiant, we've got a tree structure for our content management, and you can have parents and you can have children, and in this case we're calling all of those children into the parent page using a radius tag. In this case the radius tag is our children each. And what happens is, on the published page of the website, we've got all of these called into that page like this. So we can change the order of these pages using the Reorder Children extension. Like that. We can change the titles of those pages, and those changes are dynamically made to the events page, which is great. However, the problem occurs when you try and link one page in one area of the tree to another page in a completely different area of the tree. If you use URLs, that's fine, but what happens when you change the structure of your tree? So if you start shifting things around in the tree using the copy move extension, where for example I can move an entire subtree to a different part of the tree, or I can just move a single page anywhere I want. If you're using URLs to link those pages, then they get broken. But one thing that doesn't change is the ID of that page. It doesn't matter where you shift it, it won't change. So what we're now doing is we're linking pages using their ID so that you can move stuff around your structure and internal links don't get broken. So I'll show you how this happens. Let's start with a page. It's a new page that we put together recently, and we want to link to another page on our website that describes this particular beetle. So we'll put a link here, or on the, and then we're going to put a link to the Farm Forestry website. So we're using CK Editor 4.4.7, and we're using the paste code plugin. So here it is here, and I'm going to paste that code. But first I need to know where the page is that I want to link to. So I've got to find that page. I've got to find the page on that particular beetle, and here it is here, and its ID is 1670. So I'm going to paste code, and I'm going to paste a radius tag, the Find by ID radius tag. Alright, so I'm also going to use a little application on my PC called CopyQ that's going to basically paste the code in, and you'll see here Find by ID, and then we need to put that ID in here, and then a little bit of text. And that's done. There's our link. It's an internal link, and it's a dynamic link, so it doesn't matter where the page that we're linking to gets shifted on our tree, this will still link to it. So we can check that by opening up the web page. Here it is, and here's our link, and there's the page that we were linking to.